Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer imitation crab bites. Let's begin. We have here 1 pound of imitation crab meat, and it's made out of white fish. Let's open it up. We're going to remove the plastic wrap around it. Okay, last one. We're going to remove the plastic wrap. Just like that. We're going to throw the other plastic wraps away. We're going to season the crab bites with Old Bay Cajun seasoning. And we're just going to sprinkle it on top. Mix them around. Looking good. And mix them around a little bit to make sure that the seasoning is evenly around the crab meat. We'll need 3 tablespoons of Kerrygold butter, or any butter you like. You're going to scoop up some of the butter. 1, 2, 3. There you go, 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to melt this later. We're going to put that to the side. This is what it looks like before we put it in, and now let's open up the basket. For this video, we're just going to make the first batch. We have the first batch in, and now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 380 degrees for a total time of 16 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been a total time of 8 minutes so far at 380 degrees. We're at the halfway point. Let's toss them around. Looking good. And now let's put it back in for the last 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 16 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take them out. Smells good. Let's take them out. Next, we're going to sprinkle some chopped up green onions on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer imitation crab bites. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.